Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Danielle. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. I make all types of lifestyle content on this channel, from hauls to clean with me videos to anything lifestyle related. I probably do it. So I definitely want you guys to stick around and see what I have coming up for you next. So in today's video, it's probably going to be a short video if I'm being honest with you guys. I showed you guys a couple videos ago my purchase of my new bag, the Coach Klare Crossbody, which I'm obsessed with. I love this purse so much. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to actually carry it as much as I wanted to. I literally think I've carried it once, and that was like to a quick trip to Target. I was literally in and out, so I haven't had a chance to really style it and wear it the way that I want to. But in that video, I did ask you guys if you wanted to see a what's in my bag video, and yeah, the response was yes, of course. So I'm here today to show you what's in my bag currently. In case you haven't seen my last video for some reason, I will link it for you so you can go check it out. But this is what my bag it looks like. I got the Klare Crossbody with the ombre quilting, and I think she is absolutely gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, obsessed with her, love her so much. What I've learned from playing around with this bag and trying to figure out what all I can fit in is that you do have to be quite strategic about how you're placing your items in here. You do want to really think about your bulkiest item, and you may end up having to scale down. So just keep that in mind. I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my purse. I love her so much. So this is my baby. This is what she looks like up close and personal. As you can see from the side, it is like an accordion style bag, so it does expand just a little bit, but what I found is that you definitely have to be very strategic about how you place items in this purse, because it is a smaller bag, so it's not meant to carry as much. Like, think about my Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below for you guys. That purse, although it's small, it holds quite a bit. And I thought that maybe this purse would be similar, but I have to be honest, this is a much tighter squeeze. This bag, I mean, in general, is smaller than the Pochette Matisse, so just keep that in mind. If you are thinking about getting this purse, you do just have to be strategic about how you place items. So in this first pocket, this is where I keep my card holder. I like to keep it in there just because it's easily accessible. I also keep my lip balm in here, but it's not in here right now. It's at my desk. I just realized that. So yeah, that's usually what I keep in here, my card holder and my lip balm, because those are the two things that I'm going to reach for the most. And this pocket, I don't want it to be too bulky, because if you have too much stuff in this front pocket, it's really hard to close the purse. So I would just keep that in mind. Next, we have the zipper. And inside of the zipper, you can see this is where I usually keep my whatever makeup products that I'm carrying with me. So right now it's literally just some lip gloss, lip liner, another lip liner, and like a little mini Bite Beauty lipstick. So this is the biggest section of this purse. So this is more than likely going to be where you're going to place your wallet, your keys. So in here I have my 6-ring key holder. So as you can see, it fits in there quite nicely. And then I have this goes to my wallet, my Louis Vuitton wallet that I like never carry anymore, that I should probably start carrying again at some point. Those are the two items that I keep in here right now, because I tried putting my Kate Spade wallet in here. It was just a bit too bulky, and so I didn't like the way that it went in here, because the thing is, if you have too many items in this area, it does make it hard to close the purse. And then also you have to think about this back pocket. This is where my phone goes, in this back pocket. And if I have too much stuff like up against the back wall of the purse, it's hard to stick my phone in here. In this last section back here, I just have a couple of Rollerball perfumes, nothing too crazy. And then I keep some panty liners in that very last small little pocket. Again, trying to keep it from being too bulky. You can definitely fit more stuff back here. It's just really up to you how you choose to do it. So someone might be wondering, like, do I regret purchasing it just because you can't fit a lot of stuff in it? And no, I don't regret purchasing it at all. I knew the bag was small when I ordered it, and that doesn't change anything for me. This purse is like, for me, this purse is just like a cute statement piece. It looks good with outfits, even though I haven't had a chance to style it the way I want to. But I just feel like this is more, like, this is a true accessory for me. Whereas, like, I know, like, purses are always accessories, but, like, I still like a purse that's functional. But for me, I feel like this is more of like a statement accessory, and I just need to put like what I need to go in here, and like that's it. I don't need all the thrills and the razzle dazzle. I don't need all that in this purse because it does it on its own. So whereas like with my Pochette Matisse, like I feel like I want to be able to get as much stuff as that and possible because that's a purse that I carry every single day. This is not an everyday bag, like in my opinion. This isn't a purse that I would carry every single day. This is a purse that I would break out on occasion for like a brunch. Rest in peace to brunch. I miss brunch. But yeah, this is a purse that I would like wear on a date night or out to brunch or something like that. It is not like a purse that I would personally carry every single day. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing, you guys. We are over 900 subscribers. We are going to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm speaking it into existence. We're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and I just can't wait. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means the world to me, and I'm just so excited to continue to grow with you and grow on this channel. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.